Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to Uplifted Beauty. You can tell by the title of this video, today we're going to talk about how to heal over-processed skin. Now, as an esthetician, especially working in medical aesthetics, I admittedly have over-processed my skin more times than I'd like to share. However, in all honesty, it's always been for the greater good. Like, there's a lot of things that I will try on myself that I won't try on my clients. Like, I'm like my best guinea pig, basically. So if you're watching this today, you've probably either over-processed your skin or you want to be prepared that in case that ever does happen, you've got yourself covered with products to have on hand. So first and foremost, I'm doing this video because I just over-processed my skin a couple weeks ago. I was using a new acne product, which I don't really have acne, but I do get some congested pores and like a breakout here or there. But I was using it specifically on some areas that I get a little more blackheads. So my nose, and then kind of like in my little T-zone, so kind of in the, inner parts of my cheeks here. And I've been using the product for a few days, loving the results. And I was kind of on this roll where I'm like, gosh, my skin looks so good. Maybe I'll just do like a quick dermaplane. So I cleansed my skin with a cleanser that had 2% salicylic acid in it. And then I went on to do my dermaplane. And then after that, I thought, maybe I'll just do a little high frequency too. And, did the whole thing. And the next day I woke up and I had like a whole scab, like in certain sections, and I was like, oh shit. Actually, I had a facial scheduled the following week, and I was like, I'm gonna need to bump that out a couple weeks. Because you know what, it happens, and it's one of those things where I think I underestimated like what the benzoyl peroxide had been doing. And actually, in all honesty, like historically, I've not been a huge fan of benzoyl peroxide, but I'm trying some new products, and I'm glad I did because I do really like it. And it also helped me to see just how strong this product is for a spot treatment. So you always need to pay attention to the actives in your products, especially if you're using professional skincare, because the actives in professional skincare are completely different than the ingredients in like over-the-counter stuff that you might get at Sephora or Target or Ulta or something like that. So what to do when that happens? First things first is discontinue all of your skincare products except for the most gentle cleanser that you have. And a gentle cleanser I recommend is Mega Cleanser by Glymed. I'll link all these products below, and you can register on my website and have access to purchase these products. They're professional products if you so choose. Not all of them are Glymed, but a couple of the products I'll mention today are. But use a very gentle cleanser, one that doesn't have any acids in it, enzymes, nothing, just a very gentle cleanser. And then for the first 24 hours, I actually recommend you not put anything on the affected area at all. So just let the air get to it and just leave it as is for 24 hours. Just cleanse in the morning, cleanse at night. And then starting the next day, you want to go ahead and start replenishing and repairing that skin barrier. So a product that I've used and loved forever is the Lemieux Isocell Recovery Solution. This has magnesium and like 5 or 6 different amino acids in it. It's kind of the step of like an essence, if you want to call it that. I use this after I cleanse my skin on a daily basis, but it's especially beneficial like after a peel, after microneedling, after you maybe over-process your skin. I like to spritz it on my hands and then rub my hands together and just press versus, like doing the whole spritz thing. It's just a preference. This is a product I recommend having on hand. You will fall in love with this product. It's amazing. But you would go ahead and start using this on the affected areas, and then after that, directly follow up with this Sovereign Silver. It's a colloidal silver first aid gel. And if you're not familiar with colloidal silver, it's antibacterial, antiviral, and it's a mineral. So it's a natural product. Now, it's a homeopathic medicine, so blah blah blah, you should probably check with your doctor before starting any new thing. Whatever, there's my disclosure. Probably going to be down in the caption area as well. But this is a super healing product. Kind of a fun fact about colloidal silver: when I do my microblading, I have actually these professional packets that I use to help heal the microblading. I mean, that's how good it is. You can apply this directly on open skin. Now, it says that it's for insect bites, sunburn, rashes, skin irritation, sores, blisters, skin eruptions, and minor infections. It's a really, really, really great product. You can do this twice a day right after you apply the lait meal. And then I would do that for as long as it takes to get the skin to actually heal. Like, depending on what's happened, your skin might peel, it might flake, it might scab, whatever the situation was. As the healing process, you might experience those things. Also, getting under an LED light is super healing in those cases as well, if you have access to LED light therapy. The last, we're just gonna juggle now. The last product I recommend is by Glymed, and it is their recovery cream. And this is actually a product I recommend keeping on hand also all the time. It's just a really nice, hydrating, replenishing cream, but it's not occlusive at all. So if you have oily skin or you're breakout prone, you're still safe to use this. And the main sort of hero ingredient in this, I mean, there's a whole handful of botanicals that are really soothing and healing for the skin, but it has arnica in it. So arnica is very healing, very anti-inflammatory. It's just a really nice ingredient to have in your arsenal of products, and this recovery cream is a home run. I like to use this recovery cream after, like, maybe after I've done a chemical treatment like a peel. I always use it after microneedling. It's fantastic, and I've used a lot of different ones. One of the reasons why I love this, there's no silicone. You guys know how I feel about silicone, dimethicone, not a fan. There's none of that in here. Actually, the ingredients are on here. I'll just read a little bit to you. Besides the arnica, it does have shea butter, it's got grapeseed oil, vitamin E, evening primrose, lady's mantle, melissa balm, yarrow extract, barrage oil, vitamin E, vitamin C. It is so good. Just, I recommend getting it, having it on hand. You'll love it. You can go in with this when your skin's actually healing up. Maybe it's got a scab, maybe it's flaking, that sort of thing. This is really good for that. So have these products on hand, especially if you do a lot of different like chemical treatments. You're using acids, you're using retinoids, things like that. These are fantastic. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions at all, or if there's any brands or products that you recommend for this type of thing. I always love hearing about them. I love to do research. I know another product line that I used was Aven for a long time. Aven has some really great products, but these ones, I'm sold on these. If you guys have any skincare questions, beauty questions, let me know in the comments below, or if there's things you'd like to know about. It helps me to sort of know what type of information to bring forward for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you in the community. I post videos like this all the time, and also you can take advantage of doing a consultation with me. I do consultations over email or over Zoom, and I can get you into your soulmate skincare. Just make your skincare so much easier and get you into the best skin of your life too. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video.